Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Kim. As you can tell, today I'm going to be talking about Excel. This is my Tech Tuesday video for this week. If you haven't been to my channel before, every Tuesday I put out a technology related video, and on Mondays I do Money Monday videos, which is basically a side gig ways to make some money with DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber Eats, that sort of thing. Anyway, so today is my Excel video, and what I'm going to show you is how to split data into separate cells. So if you have data in one cell and you want it split among other cells, like if you have someone's first and last name combined into one cell and you'd rather have the first name separated from the last name, I'm going to show you a really quick, easy way to do that. You may think you know how to do it, but you might not know this trick. It's not really a trick. It's just a very simple, quick, easy way to do this. This is going to be a very short video, so hang in there, and I'm going to show you in a second. Before I get started, I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. That way you won't miss my content. Yes, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Let's get started. So here is my data that I have. Okay, so this is just an Excel spreadsheet. So as you see, I have the first and last name each in its own cell. But I would really rather have the first name separated from the last name. So this is so simple, just watch this. It happens really fast. So basically you just start typing. So Jane is the first one, hit enter. Now you're in the next cell, and I'm gonna put Mary here. As you see, when I start typing, Excel is magic. It realizes what I'm trying to do. It's like, oh, she wants all the first names from each of these cells, and it'll do it for you. All you have to do is now click, and there you go. This is called Flash Fill. This little thing here gives you some options, but we're not going into that. So this is, just know that this is called Flash Fill. It's been around, but most people don't even know it exists. So now let's do the last name. So Smith, enter. Jones, and it did it again. Oh my gosh, it knows what I'm doing. So there are all the last names. Just click, and there they are. You can edit it any way you want. If this is now its own data, it does not change your original data at all. This stays the same. You can delete this if you don't need it anymore, or you can keep it or do whatever. But now we have our first name and our last name in their own columns. So you can also do this with numbers. So I'm going to show you how to pull out the phone number here. Let's make this file this a little bit. Okay, so we just do it the exact same way. 323-555-2589. Press enter. 323. Oops. 323. And it recognized what I was doing. It's like, okay, I know what she wants. She wants all the phone numbers over here. So basically click, and there you go. You can edit these as you see fit, make them bigger, whatever. So make a different color, whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter. It's pulled this out. It has not taken it away from your original data. It's just separated it out. Now you could separate the names out too if you want, whatever you want to do. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So now let's get the names. Let's say I want, I'll put the whole name here. Now it doesn't, so it knows what I want. See, it's like, oh, she wants the names over here. So then now we have the names. We can drag these. It's just like a regular Excel. It doesn't work any differently. Just put that over here. Whatever. So basically it has separated what I've asked. Now, here's a little bit more complex. Same idea. I'm just going to show you one more example. So we want the address over here. Okay, so we just start typing. Main Street. I don't think it matters about loss. It doesn't matter about the capitalization, I don't think. So the more data you want separated, the more you have to type in so it understands what you're doing. Oops. First Avenue, Santa Monica, California. So then now, there we go. So it took 3 times to do that because I'm asking it to get a little bit more data, I guess. So anyways, there you go. So I see. My columns too. I'm like, what happened to that one? There we go. So that separated out the addresses. Now, let's say we want the cities only. Oh, cities and state. It did the same thing. So now see what I wanted. So then it could do that. So anyways, you can pull whatever data you want out of it just by typing, and it learns. It's really magic. It's really fantastic. It's called FlashFill, and you should use it. It's great. I hope this helped you. I know I get asked how to do this constantly, so that's why I made this video. I don't know. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. I think it's pretty straightforward. I think it's very useful, and hopefully you will use this next time you need to split some data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.